ॐ गणनां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमस्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः. As part of our celebration of Tiruvannamalai Deepam, we have embarked on a small journey from VSKP, Visalakshi Sanatana Kala Parampara, which always stands and believes in celebrating our tradition of holistic living. Tiruvannamalai is very famous for the Deepam. Tiruvannamalai Deepam is held in the month of Margari, in the month of, not Margari, Kartikai. Kartikai, which falls between 15th November to December 15th. The main function will be very much during the next 2 days when the stars of Bharani and Kritika are there. During this time, the hill, which is presently not visible because of darkness, will be lit with a huge lamp. The lamp symbolizes the great legend of the hoary past, where um, prior to millions and billions of years back, there was a minor episode, or let us call it as a very important episode, where the one-upmanship between uh, Vishnu and Brahma regarding who is more important, who is more powerful of the two. Then this was overseen by Parvati and Shiva. Then Lord Mahadeva, in his yogic power, he decided to show them the truth. So he manifested in the form of a huge a column of fire, and he told Brahma and Vishnu if each of them could find out the beginning and the end of the column of fire. So Brahma decided to try seeing the top or the head of the column, and Vishnu decided to dig underneath the um, netherworld, the Bhumi and the netherworld also, to find out the leg of Lord Shiva, or the tip of Lord Shiva down beneath. So this process, that is the ball of the column of fire, probably would have been something like 4.3 billion years, just after the formation, or just after the creation of Earth, which is around 4.32 billion years. So this column had been progressively approached, and it took millions of years for both Vishnu and Brahma to take their respective approaches. But Brahma was more observant in the manner. He saw one tarambu, or a type of a thorny flower, coming or falling down, and he presumed, or he stopped that, and asked, "Where are you coming from?" The Devi, she replied that she was coming from a very long distance, and she had fallen off from the head of Lord Shiva. This enthused Lord Shiva further, this enthused Brahma, and in his schemy way, he um, approached this Tarambu flower and requested her to be as a witness for a lie that Lord Brahma had definitely seen the head of Shiva, and she is a witness to it. So then um, Lord Brahma immediately approached Vishnu and declared that he was the winner of the contest and that he has seen the head of Lord Shiva. So when Lord Shiva came to know this was the bluff, he cursed Brahma that he is not going to be worshipped in this Kali Yuga or in the Yugas after the Treta Yugas and all that. And his worship is forbidden, taboo. And the flower Tarambu should not be used as flower of worship in the case of Lord Shiva. And with that, the huge column of fire dissipated. I think the process of dissipation was around 4.31 billion years or something like that. The Tiruvannamalai hills are supposed to be as old as 4.3 billion years, something almost similar to one of the oldest mountain ranges. So I presume the huge column of fire would have collapsed and melted the ground, and in the process it would have formed into this Tiruvannamalai mountains, which is a very, very sacred mountain for siddhas, yogis and all the people who are always on contemplation in the various rocky caves in and around. This is being celebrated in the form of the Deepam, the Kartika Deepam, wherein that in the top of the hill, the huge lamp will be lit, which can be visible around for 20 to 25 kilometers. That will be the a huge, that is going to be on 12th, that is on the night of the next 2 days after this and the next day. So the process of witnessing this is going to be something witnessed by around an expected or estimated crowd of 10 lakhs and above. So this is the estimate of the crowd which is going to be coming for it. The infrastructure, everything has been spruced up and it is in place. This is the part 1 of the video. I hope we will have much more interesting videos about the Tiruvannamalai Girivalam, which means going around the sacred hillock, or going around the sacred hill. It is not a hillock, it is a hill only, huge hill, and it might be a circumnavigation or circumference of around 14 to 15 kilometers. Om Namah Shivaya.